Jen and I got up early today. We're heading north. We're going to try to catch the migration, and if we're lucky, really lucky, we might catch a crossing. I know we're at the end of this season. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Hey, little buddy, you're going the wrong way. You're running away from your mom. So go find mommy.
So it looks like we're about 28.8 kilometers from the river.
Okay. What is that in miles?
That's about 18 miles.
Now, the wildebeest migration is one of the natural wonders of the world. Over 2 million wildebeest, sometimes accompanied by zebra and gazelles, will move from the Serengeti to the north into Kenya at the Masai Mara Game Reserve. They follow the rains and greener grass. In being able to see the migration is, never a given. Generally from June, July, then again in September, October, when they make the circuit back. Here we are in August, mid-August, and we're hearing that there are still wildebeest that are crossing.
You see the crocodile there on the river, and the crocodile, he fall on the
I got it.
nose.
I got it.
He fall on the nose.
Wow.
I can't believe it. That was the coolest
Wow.
thing. We started there.
He crossing this way, up to that class. We're gonna up here. So we're gonna fall this way, up to the airstrip. Airstrip here. So
Yeah.
we saw that big group of the gnu. We fall on the cross up to here.
Okay.
So the gnu cross here on this Mara River.
And that's where you got the crocodile right there.
Yeah.
Wow, we caught the crossing. Well, I guess now we can just go home.
Yeah. Not a chance.
Can't wait to see what tomorrow has.
Yep, that's Africa. You never know what she's going to give you. Wow. I'm speechless. I cannot believe how big that croc was.